Imagine stepping onto a launch pad, the rumble of engines shaking your chest, and realizing that SpaceX's Starship might not just be Elon Musk's dream, but your ticket to the stars. For decades, space travel felt like an untouchable fantasy, locked away for astronauts with perfect vision and impossible resumes. Then came Starship, a colossal stainless steel beast promising to carry ordinary people beyond Earth, turning the impossible into, when do we leave? But here's the catch. The journey isn't just about rockets. It's about money, politics, risk, and a whole lot of patience. Still, think about it. No luggage limits, no border checks, just infinite space. So let's break it down. 5 reasons Starship could change everything. 1. It's the cheapest path to orbit we've ever seen. 2. It's reusable, meaning more launches, less waste. 3. It's designed for Mars, not just quick orbital trips. 4. It opens the door for space hotels, moon bases, and yes, zero-gravity pizza parties. And 5. It puts humanity's survival odds way higher. The truth? This isn't just technology. It's a lifeline, a chance to write a new chapter for our species. So ask yourself, when the countdown begins, will you be watching from Earth